Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to move Roblox to another drive. So if you also want to move Roblox to another drive, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is open the file location of Roblox player. All you have to do is right click on the Roblox player icon. You can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Over here you'll have to find the option for open file location and all you have to do is click on it. If you do not have Roblox player as the icon on your screen, what you can do is click on the search icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now a search bar will appear. Click on it. Now type in Roblox player. You can see over here Roblox player will appear right over here. And over here you can see several options. Instead of opening it, we're going to open the file location. All you have to do is click on the option open file location. Now you can see over here the file location will be opened. You can see two options over here, Roblox Player and Roblox Studio. Right click on the option Roblox Player. This kind of pop-up will appear. Find the option for open file location. Click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several folders over here. If you look at the top, you can see several options. Click on the option Local. Instead of it, you might also be able to see the option Program Files, and then you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several folders over here. Find the Roblox folder, right click on it. Now in this pop-up, you can see several options. All you have to do is click on the Cut option. So you can see over here it is currently in the C drive. Now click on the drive in which you want to place the Roblox. If you have connected any external drive, you'll be able to see the options over here. All you have to do is click on it. And then that drive will be opened. Now right click on your mouse. This pop-up will appear. Click on the paste option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here it is preparing to move from local to new volume E. Wait for the process to be completed. Now you can see over here after the process is completed, Roblox will be moved to this drive. So that is how you move Roblox to another drive. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.